Hey, if you're watching this right now, you're ready to take your brand, your business, and your life to the next level. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that step by step. And I have a lot of free resources that will help you do that. My name's Travis Brady. I'm a father, I'm a brother, I'm a spouse, I'm a friend. In the business world, I'm a branding alchemist, story sales strategist, event host, and speaker, and I'm a part of a men's group called The Brotherhood. And I'm really grateful that you're here right now. And I love to be a part of leaders' journeys that are wanting to grow their business. They're wanting to grow their brand. They're wanting to get on stages, get on podcasts. They're wanting to create communities, grow their events, and they're wanting to grow their network. And I'd love to get you tied in with a lot of incredible individuals that I'm connected with. And I have a lot of free resources for you. And I want to make sure you're getting the value out of these free resources. And the reason why I say this is because earlier on, I felt like I missed out on a lot of the value that was just right in front of me. Okay. And one of the biggest things I looked past earlier on my journey is how important building a brand foundation is for your success in business. And like some people, I thought it was fake, superficial, and I don't want to be a part of any of that bullshit. But what I realized is that maybe the way I was looking at it was fake. Maybe the way I approached it wasn't genuine. And maybe that was the reason I wasn't able to get out of it what I needed. And I don't know where you're at on your journey specifically, but I've been coaching and mentoring for collectively 20 years. I started my business back in 2006. Social media wasn't even a thing, except for MySpace, actually. You remember MySpace? I would get in fights with my girlfriend because she's not my number one on my top 8. You know what I'm talking about? Right. There's where all the social media drama started, right there with your top 8. And early on in business, I really struggled to make money. I struggled in my marketing. Okay. I struggled with my programs. I had no clue what I was doing. I thought that the person that is good at what they do is just going to win at the end of the day. And what I realized is the person who looks like they're the best at what they do makes the most money at the end of the day. A great example is McDonald's. Are they the best cheeseburger you've ever had? Not by far. So not only do you got to be the part, you got to look the part. And so what I realized is that branding is so much deeper than a website, than a graphic and a logo. And I'm not saying it's not those things, but really branding is an inside job where we start. And we need to align our deepest life beliefs with our purpose, our passion, and our mission and vision in life. And as I started to do that, okay, my bank account started going up. I started getting more clients. My marketing started to actually work. Okay. I found myself in rooms, frankly, that I didn't think that I would be. I found myself in conversations like Ed Milet and being a part of like some really big things in a lot of really big events in life. And I want to show you how to do the same in your brand and business. And I've worked with coaches like Brendon Burchard, Dean Graziosi. I've went to tons of Tony Robbins events. Kirk Duncan, for those who know him. I've learned from Keaton Hoskins, Dan Clark. I was on the board of the National Speakers Association for 2 years and got to rub shoulders with some really incredible speakers. And what I realized is that your brand has a story. Okay. Facts tell, stories sell. Okay. The best way to really share your knowledge and share your expertise and build trust is really to share your story, share the experiences that you've been through. And we usually trust the people that we know the most about. Okay, so I want to talk about some of those free resources. First one, go up there and click on my link. It's called findyourbrandxfactor.com. I've spent the last year and over $50,000 putting together a docuseries and a brand blueprint that will walk you step by step and help you find your brand or create your brand, or maybe you're evolving your brand. Regardless of where you're at in your brand, you're always going back to your brand to take your business to the next level. Okay. Or else you could just type brand X to this number below. Okay. And I'll send you a text message. Be sure to follow my story. I'm always posting stuff in that. If you're a man, I have a brotherhood that I would love to get you linked up with some other men. So drop me a message there. Okay. And lastly, I want to leave you with this. Your brand is everything. Build it with everything you got. Invest into it and protect it with everything because it is everything. Your brand is actually more important than the money you make because the brand is what makes you money tomorrow. Okay. I'm excited to be a part of your journey. Be inspired in what you're doing. Be next gen. You are the brand X factor, and you need to share your story with the world. Good talk.